That friction is slowing down the rotation of the Earth.
What?
What's actually happening is not that the tide is coming in and out, because the bulge is fixed in space.
Oh my God.
You are rotating into and out of the tidal bulge.
Damn, that's so cool.
Yet our ego says, it is coming to me.
Right, of course.
We are the center of all things.
The waters come to me, the jewel of God's creation. I watch as the waves come in and pay homage.
That's the tide god.
Yeah, that's
right?
the tide god. And then I get my swimmies.
So that's what we're doing. Now that there's a tide, and we're rotating faster than the tide is sloshing onto and off Earth's surface. The middle of the ocean doesn't care. Where the water moves on our surface, it causes tidal friction. The single place on Earth that is most responsible for tidal friction between the Earth and Moon is the Bay of Fundy.
Okay.
Okay?
Never
In the
heard of this.
southeast coast of Canada, there's a bay where the geometry of the bay is such that the tides, as they come in and out, will rise and fall 50 feet. 50 feet.
That's a lot.
Because there's a channeling of the water as it comes in from the ocean. And as the tide moves in and it gets channeled and narrowed, it's the same amount of water. You give it less volume to occupy, there it is.
It goes up.
And in that channel, they say you can jog alongside the water as the tide comes in.
That's
how fast it's coming in. Talk about friction between the ocean and Earth. That is maximal friction. That friction is slowing down the rotation of the Earth.
Wow.
Because the tidal bulge is there in space and Earth is trying to turn through it.
Right.
That is causing resistance to our rotation.
And it's actually acting like a little brake pad.
A brake pad. That's exactly.
Yeah, that's wild.
It's putting the brakes on Earth.
Cool.